Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Hazel and I'm a part-time reseller on Poshmark and eBay. I also do some Shopify and ThredUp, and my Poshmark closet is brown skin. My Instagram is brownskin17, and if you're not part of this channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button. I'm trying to grow my channel and it would really help with the YouTube algorithm. So thank you very much. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week, and let's get to it. So this is a what sold video from November 2nd to the 8th, and there's a 2-week delay because I like to give buyers a chance to accept the packages on Poshmark or make any returns on eBay. So for the week of November 2nd to the 8th, I made over $600 in sales. $544 was in profit after platform fees, and that is 15 sales, 11 of which were on Poshmark and 4 on eBay. The trend I noticed with my sales for this week was that long sleeves were selling, which makes sense because in all other parts of the country besides Florida, it's a lot cooler, and you guys are probably actually experiencing a winter. So the first thing I sold for this week was a Rails plaid button-up shirt, and I thrifted this locally. I accepted a customer offer for $50. The next was this crushed velvet blue top, and it was plus size, so I think that's what helped it sell quickly. is a boutique brand. They have a lot of cute boho stuff, and I thrifted this locally. My next sale was this pair of Everlane jeans, which I actually took a small loss on because I had purchased these from a buy-sell trade store in New Orleans, and at the time they were really overpriced and I didn't realize it. So, you know, we all make our mistakes, but I was glad to see that go for a customer offer of $40. I love mother jeans. They're my favorite pair to sell, so this is a big bolo. I can usually sell these for $50 to $75. The reason I accepted a customer offer of $40 was because there was some stretching that I disclosed, and I thrifted this pretty recently from New Orleans. I'm really working on how I pronounce New Orleans. I want to say New Orleans, but that's not how you pronounce it. At least that's what my husband told me. So like I mentioned before, Torrid is a bread and butter brand for me. This beautiful long sleeves dress was thrifted locally, and I accepted a customer offer of $25. So I'm really proud of this sale. I found these UGG boots, and they're made for girls in Nashville, my first time in the city and my first time thrifting in Nashville, and they were just sitting there on the shelf. No one had claimed them, and this store looked pretty much picked over, so I was really excited. They were in great condition, and I accepted a customer offer for $50. I love this Harley Davidson tattoo sleeves logo spell out tee. I was really excited when I thrifted this, and it sold for a customer offer of $55. This Stitch keychain I found at home. My dad is in the process of moving to the Philippines, and I was able to get a lot of stuff from the house, a lot of old items from childhood, and this was one of the things I was able to list and sell. So this makeup brush set came from my CosBox, and I let it go for $16. So when I'm out sourcing or thrifting, I don't just look at the brands, I also like to look at the style. This shirt or blouse was so cute, and it's kind of like a vintage no-name brand, or at least I'm not familiar with the brand Magic, and I picked it up and sent out an offer for $25, and it sold. Next to Lululemon, my other favorite sports brand to resell or activewear brand is Outdoor Voices, and these leggings sold for a customer offer of $40. I heard how J. McLaughlin does very well, so I picked this up in New Orleans to try out, and it sold very quickly in a couple of weeks for a customer offer of $39. This beanie by the Jet Set Diaries sold internationally via customer offer for $20, and this was free to me. I received it in a porch pickup. So I had these Keds Kate Spade sneakers for about a year or so and didn't cross list them to eBay until recently, and when I did, they sold within a week. So it's really important to cross list your items. I picked this up at a thrift store in Houston, Texas. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed that video, and let me know down below what your favorite sale of mine was and any comments you want to leave. Thanks for following along. Don't forget to smash the like button and also subscribe for more reseller content. Follow me on Instagram, it's brownskin17, for more behind the scenes of my reselling journey, and I also post tips for selling on Poshmark and eBay every Tuesday. Thanks again guys. I'm wishing you much wealth and luck in your reselling business. Bye.